Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some more amazing tool deals to share with you. These are all Amazon deals for this video. A lot of really good ones. I'm looking at all these tabs. I'm thinking 15 to 20 amazing deals. You're going to love them. Everything linked down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We got the amazing Amazon deals all the time, every time, anytime. Especially right now. DeWalt 142-piece mechanic tool set, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive. You're getting both the SAEs and the metrics in the handy dandy case. I like that you're actually getting a decent set of wrenches here, a couple of ratchets, all the sockets, the drivers, some bits. You know, for 142 pieces, it doesn't have as much of the filler stuff, the low value filler, as some of the larger kits, also being smaller, a little bit more portable, keeping your vehicle with you. Right now, it is on sale on Amazon for $109, and that is a price match with Home Depot, meaning they have it for $109 as well. Acme Tools is $149, Ace Hardware $179.99. Nice little discount on the mechanic set. We're going to stick with a few DeWalt deals here to lead things off. So the next one is the DeWalt 3/8 inch socket set, 6-piece metric impact socket set, 6.10 to 19 millimeter, includes the 1/4 inch adapter, cordless, corded impact drivers, and wrenches. Going to be only $12.87, normally $23. Like, you got the nice big numbering on that thing, easy to read. Got the adapter for your impact driver. Over at Lowe's, it is $10 more, $22.98. Plus, you're going to have to add shipping to that at Lowe's. So, really nice deal on Amazon. $12.87, getting the 4 sockets and the adapters, or adapter. You got the DeWalt 10-inch, 24-tooth general purpose saw blade, ultra sharp carbide table saw blade. I'm sure you could probably use it for a miter saw as well. $16.99, 10-inch, 24-tooth. Home Depot's $27. Acme Tools $30. Ace Hardware $36. About half the price of Ace Hardware for your DeWalt 10-inch. Got a little brother joining the party. DeWalt 6.5 inch, 24 tooth. Smooth cutting, superior tracking, and durability. Only $15.76 on Amazon, down to $9.98. Of course, Prime members are getting the free shipping on that. Acme Tools, $19.99. Tractor Supply, $17.99. Ace Hardware, $18.99. Half price on Amazon right now, 6.5 incher. Ego Power Plus chainsaw, 16-inch. Powered chainsaw, includes a 56-volt, 2.5 amp hour battery, and the charger. Getting the full kit here on the 16-inch chainsaw, 56 big volts. It's going to be $195 right now on Amazon. If we look at the comparables, Lowe's is $249, Ace Hardware $249. You've heard this before. Acme Tools $249. Save yourself about $50 buying it on Amazon. Add it to your outdoor power supply collection. Got a couple options for you with the SeeSii impact wrenches. Of course, they use the Makita battery, so although they come with their own batteries, if they ever die, stop holding the charge, you have any problems, you can use your Makita 18-volt batteries with these guys. So this first one I'm going to show you, this is the smallest of the three. We're only getting bigger from here, folks. 665 foot-pound, half-inch impact gun. 2 4 amp hour batteries, of course the charger, some sockets, comes in the handy dandy case by SeeSii. Look at all those reviews, 1,500 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. Really liking that one. So it's already on sale, normally $100, down to $74.72. But then we have the 25% promo code. Not sure when it expires. I just posted it today. You can see the timestamp here, 10:05. It is currently 10:47, so only 40 minutes ago. And if you click right here, that automatically copies the promo code to the clipboard of your device, so you can use it at the checkout screen on Amazon. It's going to be $50-something with 2 4 amp hour batteries. SeeSii has a full lineup of cordless tools. If you haven't gotten into it already, you probably should dip your toes in the water with this one, because they have a ton of stuff and they always have different promo codes. So we will almost assuredly have, is that a word? Maybe, have more promo codes in the future. Now, if you want something a little bit bigger, a little more badass, we have the upgraded 1180 foot-pound SeeSii high torque half-inch drive with the detachable side handle. Got the little auxiliary handle with it. This one also comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries. Normally 180 down to 149, but we have a 25% promo code for this one as well. They are different codes. If you wanted to go little, medium, and large, you could do that. Again, promo code right there. This one's supposed to go through the end of September. You guys know codes get killed early all the time, so we don't expect it to last that long. Well, 148 on this one. Now, if you need the Big Daddy, you got high torque applications. We have the 1-inch impact gun, 2,500 foot-pounds of torque. The true high torquer. Got an almost 8-inch extended anvil, 7.88. We round up here. When we measure in inches, we round up. Getting two 5-amp-hour batteries with this one. Now, see, it takes 2 batteries at a time. 2 5-amp-hour batteries. Look at that big-ass thing. That just looks like a lot of fun. Now, what's not fun is the price. I know, very expensive. Starts out at $850. It's on sale for $764. But 25% promo code, that's like $200 off, give or take. It's supposed to go through December. We know it's not going to last that long. But if you really got to bust a nut, hopefully that'll do it for you. If that doesn't do it, you're in bad shape. Bad shape. I had these long-ass screws that were all kind of rusty and stuff. They're like 6-inch long structural screws. And my impact driver, DeWalt impact driver, couldn't get them out. I was like, shit. Got out the impact wrench, 1/2-inch drive impact wrench with an adapter. They were Torx. Couldn't get it out. Oh. Thought, you know what? I got a high torque. I'm going to put the high torque on it now. In the meantime, I broke like 3 Torx bits trying to do this. So I had to go to Harbor Freight. Bought the cheap Pittsburgh Torx socket bits, the 1/2-inch drive ones. By the way, didn't break them. Was shocked. The other ones broke. I don't remember what brand they were. Broke the tip right off the damn things. The high torque got it out. Didn't break the bit. Boy, was I happy about that. Got to have the high torques every once in a while. Would have loved if the screw just broke. If the damn screw would have just broke, things would have been much easier. But no. Screw won't break. Dash cam, front and rear, 4K front, 1080 back, 1080p back, dual camera, Wi-Fi app controlled, comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card, G sensor, night vision, loop recording, wide angle, 24-hour parking mode. Now for the 24-hour parking mode, you have to hardwire that you have to have a kit to hardwire it because otherwise your cigarette lighter, 12-volt outlet, loses power and then the camera loses power. But anyways, I love these that connect to your phone. That is really cool. 4K front facing. You don't have to use the rear camera. You can just not plug it in if you don't care about the rear one. But we're getting a pretty good deal because it's $89.98. Then we have a 50% promo code. That brings it down to $45. And then we have a 10% coupon. Now you guys know because you watch the videos, both percentage discounts come off of $90. So you're not taking 50% off having $45 and then 10% being $4.50, making it $40. No, no, no. We get 50% off $90 and then we get 10% off $90. Both come off the top. So $45 and then another $9, $36 if my math is correct for the dual camera dash cam. Gotta have the dash cam. Getting in an accident, you gotta have proof. If it's your fault, oh shucks, I forgot to put an SD card in it. Oh damn, there was no card. I don't have a recording of it. Shucks. 508-piece rotary tool accessory kit, rotary tool bits, universal grinding, sanding, cutting, polishing, all the things by Gripzon. Comes in the handy dandy case. Love the cases. Love these little sanding drums too, because that's what we grind Scooter's nails with. Works perfectly. Much better than the old clippers. $24.99, 40% off. It's going to be about $15. Supposed to go through the end of the month. I can't believe it's already August. Oh, it's depressing. It's depressing is what it is. Summer's going to be over. It's going to get cold again. I'm going to be shoveling snow. My back's going to hurt. I'm going to slip and fall on the ice. I'm going to mess up my ankle. I mean, I'm on a streak with that. I hate it. Terrible. Now I'm in a bad mood. Portable camping fan with LED lantern, 40-hour rechargeable battery fan, quiet tent fan, hanging hook by Odoland. You see the light is right here in the middle, right there in the middle. Then you got the little hanging hook there. You can also use as a power bank to charge your cell phone. $22.49, 42% off, going through the 8th. It's almost cutting it in half. I think that one's about $15 too. Let's just call it 15. Circuit breaker finder, love this one. GFCI outlet tester, non-contact voltage detection. Home electrical safety, including carrying cases by Focemta. So, I mean, we really have 3 tools in one. So we got the non-contact voltage tester, we got the GFI outlet tester to tell you that you did your wiring wrong, and then we also have the circuit breaker finder. So typically, like with the circuit breaker finder, you would plug this in somewhere, and then this guy goes to the circuit breaker, and it'll do a little song and dance when you hit the circuit breaker that this thing is plugged into. It's great because, like, none of mine are labeled. I should probably do that sometimes. 15 years in, I should set aside a day to label my circuit breakers. Instead, I just use something like this and have to redo it every time. Now, the important thing is, I'm guessing this is a 3 to 2 prong adapter. That's what that is, isn't it? What I was going to say is this one. So this allows you to screw into a light socket and then plug this in, which is really great because I love my house. My house is so great. There's an entire circuit just for the hallway ceiling light. There's one outlet in the entertainment center that has its own circuit breaker. There's a room where the outlets are different than the lights. My circuit breaker box is full for a tiny little house with nothing, no extra, no special things. There's no pool or hot tub. There's no extras. But it's a circuit breaker box just full because every outlet has its own circuit breaker. Thank you. I appreciate it, whoever did that. That was mighty kind of you, especially not labeling any of it. It makes it even better. $39.99, 40% off. We're taking $16 off. It's going to be $24. Going through the 10th. It's really great though because it's all 3. Like, I have a circuit breaker finder like this. It doesn't do the outlet tester, and it's not non-contact voltage. Like, adding those other functions, kind of cool because you're getting all 3 tools at once. Now, I want to show you the kitchen deals page because I did add this one item. That's not the one I want to show you. This one right here. The professional meat thermometer. You got to know the temperature of your meat. It's only $6.45. Sometimes these things are super expensive. They're like $20 ones, and I don't think you got to go expensive. I got cheapies. I have a black one that looks a lot like this. It might be the same brand. I love these. Stick it in your meat, and then it instantly just tells you what the temperature is. Keep it by the grill, keep it in the kitchen. You never know when you gotta test the temperature of your meat, and it's only $6. No more drying out your burgers. They don't gotta be 200 degrees. That shit dry now. 160, you're done. Really, 155. 150. Just take it off the grill. It'll keep cooking a little bit more. 115 in 1 precision screwdriver set. Professional magnetic mini repair toolkit by AXTH. Handy dandy case, a whole little cell phone kit. You can see you got the suction cup for pulling off the screen. You got the little pry bar guys. You got, it looks like a magnetizer, demagnetizer there. You get a million different bits. Really nice little set. Starts out at $15.99, 40% off. It's going to be about $10. Not sure when that expires, but I did just post that today, as you can see, at 8:30 this morning. Did want to show you guys the top 100 tool deals page because, you know, it's also linked in the sidebar right here, but I'll put it down below. So for a while, the prices weren't updating. I had to dick around with this program a lot and finally got it working. If you look at the timestamp here, almost all of these will show either today or yesterday within the last 24 hours. All of these prices have been updated. And then every hour, this list reconfigures with any new price drops. Some things are the same price for extended periods of time. Other times you'll see brand new things dropping in. But as I'm scrolling, everything looks like it updated within the last 2 days, which means things are working beautifully. I'm very happy about this. So check out that page. See what amazing deals you can find there. Nyko telescoping magnetic pickup tool, heavy duty 50-pounder. 36.5-inch long magnetic stick with handle, extendable nail sweeper, magnet wand. I could have used one of these yesterday. Normally $22 down to $11.79. Talking about those same screws I was taking out, it was the same. It's actually a telephone pole that's laying on the ground. But I had other screws as well, not just those long-ass 6-inch one. And one screw, I'm in a gravel driveway, dropped it on the ground, and of course, you would think a gravel driveway wouldn't be that hard to find a screw. No, apparently it is. And I'm like, man, it's in the driveway. I really don't want to leave with the, that's going to end up in my tires where it's going to end up. So I didn't have any kind of magnet like that. I took one of those magnetic trays, that you can put like nuts and bolts and stuff in. And I'm like kicking it around on the ground, and I'm like, if the screw is here, it's going to stick to this tray, right? Hell no. That damn screw just disappeared. I'll find it. I'll pull it out of my tire in a day or two. 14-in-1 faucet and sink installer, faucet sink wrench, multifunctional by Joratol. It's going to be $15.99, but we have a 50% promo code. It's going to be $7.99, free shipping for the Prime members out there. These things are awesome anytime doing some sink work, because they really grab. What I like it most is that little nylon nut, usually nylon, I guess, that holds the faucet onto the countertop. Because you can't get up there. The sink's in the way. It's a real tight spot. Of course, the damn bastard who put it on before you put it on too tight, so you can't just get it with your hand, and you actually need some kind of wrench or pliers or whatever. You got the back of the cabinet. You got the sink. It's terrible. Terrible. So you throw this guy on there, and you're good to go. And it's got a bunch of other different adapters and sizes and stuff you can throw in there, but that's really the only thing I need it for. Or primarily. $7.99. Super cheap like that. All right, guys, that is all the deals. It's Sunday today, isn't it? Wow, special Sunday edition. Everything's going to be linked down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.